crazy, insane, compound, triple turbo Dodge Ram 2500s Cummins. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple clips of this is a crazy, insane, compound, triple turbo Dodge Ram 2500s Cummins. This is a third gen Ram, so this thing is pretty much a bad unit, I say. Definitely like it, man. It's something crazy, something you don't see too often. And I will definitely drop the link to the owner of the truck. I'm just showing love to one of my favorite builds that I like on Instagram. So first thing first, before I get into sharing a few clips with you guys, man, I want to say I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday, close to the end of the week. Hope you guys are having a good week so far. Hope you guys are having a great day, man. Definitely appreciate those who take their time out to subscribe to my channel and watch my upload. You know, we ain't there yet, but we getting there slowly. You know, that's the whole point of, you know, making progress, man. It takes time. It doesn't happen overnight, but definitely if it's your first time on my channel, man. So I own a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500, and it is just a 5.7. And it's the blacked out edition, and nothing crazy yet, but my goal is to definitely this is my daily driver. So my goal right now is to be able to turn it into something, definitely something I could be able to drive to work, and something I could be able to take to the track every now and then. Nothing crazy, but something definitely that's different, and definitely could break your neck, you know. But
I have to break your neck. It's just the way it is.
But that's the plan for my 2014 Dodge Ram 1500, and I just recently got this truck. So if you want to know every update, definitely subscribe to my channel. Follow, man. Follow.
Come on, man.
That's all I can say. Definitely gonna take some time, but we definitely gonna get there and definitely start doing some work to my 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. But with that being said, so the owner of this third gen Dodge Ram, I believe they are also the owner of Fast Fuel Performance or something like that, I believe. I'm not too sure, but I dropped the name down, the correct name. I believe he owns this truck, and my previous upload was his also. That was his fourth or fifth gen Dodge Ram 2500 that does crazy burnouts, and it's pretty much insane. I think that thing make a lot of power, and this one is definitely even way better. This is a triple compound turbo Dodge Ram 1500, something that you don't see too often, something that is definitely out of this world.
Out of this world.
Out of this world.
Man, to me it is, to see something like that and something so cool. This is, you know, this is what it's about, man. You know, when you definitely love the cars and truck stuff, man, this is what I like to see, especially stuff like this. Stuff like this excite me, and definitely put a smile on my face. But man, your boys, yeah, my goal is to hit 10K. 10K is my goal, to hit 10K. I definitely need you guys, man, to definitely show love. Subscribe to the channel. We getting there. I'm almost at, pretty much at 5K, I say. We ain't that far away, but you know, that's pretty much done already. So I need you guys definitely to hit that link, man. Hit that link right here. Sub. It's free of charge, does not cost anything. All you're gonna do is just help a small YouTuber. When you subscribe to my channel, you know, it helps put my content out there to even more people, for them to be able to discover my channel, because I am a small YouTuber, and also it connect me with people who are like-minded like me. This is one reason why I like doing YouTube, because you know, it's me connecting with people who are who has the same mindset as me, and it connects, it bring in those right viewers. So definitely sub to the channel. I'm about to show you guys this crazy compound triple turbo Dodge Ram startup and a few little clips and stuff like that. But here you go, check it out. There you go, guys. I know you see how bad that thing is, man. Definitely is out of this world. Something that you don't see too often, man. Like triple, not one, but not two, not like three turbos is crazy, man. I can't even talk because that's how excited I am. But you doing 3 turbos on a truck is insane, like in a good way. Like it's mind blowing. That's that good stuff, man. That's what I like to see. But that's definitely gonna be about it, guys. If you want me to keep making uploads like these more, definitely comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this Dodge Ram 3rd gen I just showed you guys, that makes crazy power with 3 turbos, man. I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Peace out.